If you're using OpenClaw on Telegram, this video is going to make your workflow a lot cleaner. Right now, most people let OpenClaw or their AI agents drop everything like research reports, blog posts, and marketing strategies directly into the chat. But there is a smarter setup. Connect OpenClaw to Notion so all the heavy output goes there automatically. Your Telegram chat stays focused and your context window stays lean. And this matters because the more clutter you have in your context window, the more tokens you burn on every message, which makes this very expensive. Let me show you how to do this. So all we're going to have to do is to just come to notion.com and create a free account. Now for most of these stuffs, you do not need to go for the paid plan. The free plan would be more than sufficient to do what you want to do. So just come to notion.com, click on get Notion free, fill in your credentials, and then create your new account. If you already have an account, you can directly log in and you'll be good to go. Now once you log in into Notion, if it's a new account, you're going to see a welcome page like this. If you're already heavily using Notion, then you basically get directly into your workspace. Now what we're going to do is to create a page where we want our OpenClaw AI agents to be pasting its research. Now to do so, we're going to have to create a new page. Just come to the left section here and click on create a new page. Now on this page, I'm going to call this OpenClaw AI input. And then basically that's it. And this is the page where the agent is going to be posting all its research info. Now we're going to do it in such a way that whatever research input that comes is going to be created as a sub page so that the page doesn't get too cluttered. And once you create this page, we're going to go to the Notion integration and we're going to create an integration so that the OpenClaw agents can directly work on this page. And to do so, you're going to come to the Notion's integrations page. I'm also going to provide a URL to this in the description section. Now on this page, come to the left section here, under build, click on internal integrations. And then we're going to create a new integration. Now just give your integration a name. I'm going to call this OpenClaw. And then for the associated workspace, I'm just going to use my default computer mechanics space. If you've created any dedicated workspace, you can also directly select which workspace you want to use here. In my case, I haven't created anything, so I'm just using the default. And after that, just click on create. So you're going to get a message that the integration was created successfully. Then now we're going to configure the integration settings. So on this page, you see that we are informed the integration doesn't have access to any pages yet, but that's fine. We're going to fix this very quickly. When you scroll down here, the most important thing that we're going to need is the internal integration secret. Now here, click on show and then basically copy the integration. Now once we have this copied, we're going to keep this, for instance, in any text editor like Notepad. I'm going to call this integration secret and I'm going to paste this in here. Now the next thing that we're going to have to do is to come back to Notion, go to the new page that we created for OpenClaw, and then here we're going to add this integration to this page. Now to do so, I'm going to minimize the section here. Just click on the three dots that we have at the section here and then come to connections. And in these connections, you can search for the connection that we just created. You can either scroll down and pick this, or you can also directly type this in here. For instance, in my case, OpenClaw, and then click on this connection. And then we're going to confirm that we want to create this connection. Now, once the connection is set, we're technically good to go. In the next stage, we're going to go to OpenClaw and tell our AI agent to paste things directly into this page. And for the agent to be able to do so, it's going to need the integration secret, and it's also going to need the ID to this page that we just created. To find the ID on this same page, come to share and then click copy link. So this is going to provide us a link or the URL to this page through which we're going to fetch the page ID. So I'm going to come to my Notepad again, then I'm going to type page ID and then just paste in whatever we copied from the clipboard. Now the URL looks very complicated, but technically the page ID is this number that we have here, meaning we can remove everything that we have here and then just leave the page ID. Now with these two credentials, our bot should be able to write directly into Notion. So I'm going to copy this here and I'm going to go to my Telegram chat to talk to my bot. Now this is a prompt that we're going to give to the OpenClaw agents to integrate the Notion workspace. And I'm going to make this prompt available to you so you can just copy paste and you should be good to go. In this prompt, we're telling the agents we want to connect it to the Notion workspace with this credentials and we want it to write into this page. Then the instructions we are giving to it is that whenever it produces a long or substantial output that is worth keeping, such as reports, plans, summaries, analysis, or any detailed response, we want this to go as a sub page under this page that we created. And then here we are just giving it additional information. Like what I personally like is that I prefer that every title of the page, every title of the post starts with a date so that you can easily sort the content that is created and know when this is created. And then we're also telling it to post it in a rich format so that it becomes very easily for us to read. Now here you can just copy this command here, and the most convenient method is typically to come to Telegram and then just paste this prompt in your Telegram chat so that your bot does it. But pasting secrets in Telegram chat is not a good idea because it could come with a huge security breach. So what I would strongly advise is not paste this in your Telegram chat, but go for instance into your terminal and do this. But if you find it too complicated to go into your terminal, you can also just paste this and your agent will do this. But just to teach you the right way to do it, I would rather go into my terminal and do this, and I'm going to show you how we can do this as well. So here I'm connected to the VPS that is currently running my OpenClaw, and then once you SSH into the VPS, let's type in the command OpenClaw TUI. That means OpenClaw Terminal User Interface, and then press enter. And once you are here, let's just check that the agent is there. Just type "Are you there?" and then if the agent responds, then it means that it's technically behind the terminal user interface. And once you are there, we can just paste in the prompt that we copied initially. And then I'm going to go through quickly to make sure that everything works. So this looks good. Now the reason why we are using this is that for someone to be able to render or read the messages that is happening in this backend, the person needs to have access to your VPS to be able to read this message, which a lot of people would not do. And that is why it's typically advised that when you are putting in secrets like that, it's better to come into the terminal to put this rather than putting it into your Telegram chat. But the choice is yours. The Telegram is more convenient, but this is more secure. And once you are done, I'm going to press enter. Okay, so the agent responded, got it. I can do that. From now on, any substantial output worth preserving, I would automatically create a new Notion subpage under your parents page and format it in a polished document. And then very important, it says that if you want, I can create a test page with this title to verify that everything works. And I'm going to say yes, please create the test subpage now. All right, so it says that it created a test subpage, and then also directly give me the URL to this page. So here you can directly click into the URL to go to the page, and you see that this test page is created. Or when I come back to my OpenClaw AI input page, just like I instructed it, you see that it created a subpage with a new integration. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a test research, and I'm going to tell the agent to put that directly into my Notion page. So I know that the terminal part was not fun, but now we are done with it because we have pasted all the credentials we need. So you can just press Ctrl or Command C and Ctrl and Command C again to exit the terminal, and then we are done with all these dark screens. Now we can safely come to our Telegram chat and confirm there that it has access to the Notion. Can you confirm that you see the Notion integration we just created? Perfect. And then now I'm going to give it a reset to do, and I'm going to tell it to paste this directly into my Notion page. So I give it this prompt to research on the best ways to secure your VPS that is running OpenClaw. And then here I'm giving it some orientation as to the things that I wanted to research. And then once it's done, I wanted to push this to the new Notion page as a sub page with today's date, formatted title, and stuff like that. Typically, you don't have to put this here because we already give this guide when we created the integration. Then I'm going to click send and show you what we get. And by the way, if you're watching this video and you're running OpenClaw on the VPS, please do not underrate security. There are a lot of people always constantly trying to hack into your VPS, and that is why it's quite advisable to make sure that you put in all the security features to make sure that you harden your VPS so that intruders and hackers do not get in. I'm gonna be uploading a video in the next days on how you can do this using features like fail to ban, SSH keys, and stuff like that. So make sure that you stay tuned. Awesome. So the agent responded with the link to the Notion page, which I can directly click here. And then when I come here, you see we have a beautifully written blog post on all the things that we asked it for. Now imagine if all this stuff was pasted into the Telegram chat, it would be very clumsy. And this way, you see that your Telegram chat becomes very, very clean, and you keep very important stuffs directly into your Notion. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe, because I've got way more optimization steps like this coming. If you run into any issues running this, just leave a comment and I'll help you out. And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next